Hello everyone. Let us solve this problem. It is from chapter Applications of Trigonometry and exercise 9.1. It is very big problem. The question is very big, but solution is very simple. Okay. Only thing is we have to use some logic and we have to draw the drawings. If we get the drawings, then we will get the problem very easily. Okay. No need to worry about this. First of all, let us understand the question. A contractor plans to install two slides. There are two slides. Two slides means, slide means the children in which they play in park. Okay. Let us try slides. Slides for children to play. For children below 5 years, she prefers to have slide whose top is at the height of 1.5 meter and inclined at the 30 degrees to ground. Now this is the data for first slide. Okay, what is the data? The top of the slide is at the height of 1.5 meters from the ground and is inclined at the 30 degrees to the ground. So let us consider this one as slide. Okay, slide is always will be slope, you have idea that one, and this will be ground. Okay, what they are saying, the top of the slide is means this one. The top is 1.5 meter height. So this length is 1.5 meters. Okay, and here the angle is 30 degrees. 30 degrees to the ground. So the angle is 30 degrees. Okay, clear now? One diagram, one slide. Right. Next another one. Whereas for elder children, she wants a steep slide of 3 meters and inclined at 60 degrees. Means for this one, steep slide means, steep means something which has more slope. Okay, which has more slope. So for this one, the height is 3 meters. Means this is of more slope. Slope is more. Okay, and for this one, the height of the top is 3 meters from the ground. So same thing here, this is the ground and this one is 3 meters. And it is inclined at 60 degrees. This is 60 degrees. Okay, clear now? These two are diagrams. There are two slides we have, and one is 1.5 meter height and another is top is 3 meter height and whose angles are 30 and 60 respectively. Okay, fine. Now we have to find the length of each slide. This is the question. So length of the slide is this inclined part. This is slide and the length of the slide is the inclined part. We have to find these two lengths. Okay. Now let us consider this one as slide number 1 and this one as slide number 2. Okay. So let us consider the triangle. These two are in the form of right angle triangles. Okay. For this one, let us triangle is A, B, C and let it be P, Q, R. Okay. Now logic. What logic we have to use? We have to find this length. For this triangle, this one is the hypotenuse. Okay. And we have the value of this length, this side 1.5 meter. So for this angle, this is opposite side and this is hypotenuse. So we have to find the hypotenuse using this side, opposite side and angle. So angle is given and the side is opposite side. For which trigonometric ratio the opposite side is there, we have to think about it. Okay. For sine theta, sine ratio, the trigonometric ratio sine is having opposite side by hypotenuse. So we have to use the sine. So sine A. Consider triangle A, B, C. For this one, sine A is equal to, why sine? We have opposite side, that's why we are using sine. Sine A is equal to opposite side by hypotenuse. This is the logic formula. What is a 30? Sin 30 is equal to opposite side is 1.5 meter. 1.5 meter by hypotenuse AC. What is sin 30? Sin 30, we have to remember this one. Sin 30 is 1 by 2. Very important this one. All the ratios you have to remember as per angles. 1 by 2 is equal to 1.5 by AC. Now, cross multiplication. AC is equal to 2 into 1.5, which is 3 meters. Okay. Therefore, AC is the length of the slide 1. Okay. Therefore, length of slide 1 is equal to AC, which is 3 meters. This is the answer. For one, we have got length of one slide, and we have another slide also. Similarly, same thing we have to do for this one also. This one also, we have to find hypotenuse. We have, for this angle, this is opposite side, we have the length of the opposite side. So same thing we have to use sine formula. So consider triangle PQR. Okay, in this triangle, same sine P is equal to, again opposite side by hypotenuse side. I am writing shortcuts, okay. Opposite side by hypotenuse side. So sin P is sin 60. That is equal to, what is opposite side? 3 meters. 3. Hypotenuse is PR. Okay. What is sin 60? Root 3 by 2. That is equal to 3 by PR. Sin 60 is root 3 by 2. We have to remember all these values. Cross multiplication. What we get? PR into root 3 is equal to 2 into 3, which is 6. Or let's do one thing. Let it be like this only, 2 into 3. Now PR is equal to 2 into 3 by root 3. Okay. 3 can, root 3, 3. So root 3 ones are root 3 into root 3. So 2 into root 3 meters. So this is the answer. Okay, I think you all understood this one. Simple thing. Only logic is we have to get the diagrams. Means this is a, therefore length of slide 2 is equal to 2 root 3 meters. Okay, the answer. Because PR is the length of the slide 2. So length of slide 2 is 2 root 3. I hope you understood this one. If any doubt is there, then let me know. Only thing is we have to know how to draw the diagram by using the data. That is the only logic is there. Simple, everything is simple. Only the sine formula we are using. And we have to find the, remember the sine values, sine 30 and sine 60. That's it. I hope you understood this one. If any doubts are there, then let me know in comment section. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you.